I can't really see Kirby.
Kirby, wanna come do some treats, Kirby? Kirby.
Let's do 10 biscuits.
10 biscuits, okay. How about 3 biscuits?
No, 10. Okay, circle.
Do circle. Do circle, Kirby. Circle.
Circle.
Here, Claney, do you know what circle? Do your hand like a circle.
Circle.
Good boy. Okay.
Come on,
Kirby, one more. Come here.
There's this 10 more.
Okay, just a couple more, okay?
Sit. 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 Down. Sit. 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 Sit.
Good boy. Okay, come here, Kirby.
Now last one.
Okay, last one. What are you gonna have him do?
I will remember. It's gonna be a tricky one. Roll.
Kirby, here, down. Kirby, Kirby.
Down. Roll.
Here, say Kirby, down,
Down.
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 Kirby, down.
Down. Down.
Kirby, down.
Down.
Here,
Down.
what you need to do, bud, is go like this. Down, curb, curb, down, down.
Oh, down.
Do you want a treat? Here, let me see the treat.
I already have to.
I know, let me see it in your hand.
Well, I'll just give him that. Well, I'm the only one.
Well, then you need to get off the counter.
Okay. Then I'll just put my milkshake down here. Down.
Take the cookie and go down. Kirby, down.
Roll.
Nope. Listen to Claney. Let him see the cookie.
Down. He's not looking.
All right. Kirby. Down. Roller. No. Down. Kirby. Down. Down. Roll up. No. Roll over, you lazy boy.
I'm not lazy, boy.
I'm not talking to you. I'm talking to Kirby.
Oh.
Kirby. Up, 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 up. Dance. Dance. Claney, you can have him do this. Have him dance. Have him dance for the camera. Claney, stand up. No, stand up and have him dance. Kirby, he's got the treat. Hold it up like this. No, like this. Dance.
Good job.
All right. Kirby. You scored on that.
Last one. Down, over.
Okay, roll. Show Kirby how to do it.
This is how you roll.
Show me how to do plow.
What?
Show me how to do plow.
So, Kirby, how do you plow?
Yeah, show Kirby how to do plow, sure. Awesome.
Oh,
Can you
oh,
do
TJ, Kirby, how to do dog training?
dog training?
Yeah. What can I do now?
Why don't you do handstand?
Okay.
You can do it on the cabinet. Okay, sweetie, yeah. This is a pretty hard surface.
Is that...
Yeah, that's pretty good.
Now what else can I do dog training?
I think that's it. I think we got the footage we need. Let's not do that. Don't grab your pee-pee in the camera, man.
Well,